Okay, Elijah, what's going on?
You can't put plastic in the
What are you doing in April?
microwave, do you?
What are you making?
What you making, Elijah?
I want this!
Somebody tell me, Caitlin, what are you guys doing?
I want this!
Tell mommy what you're making.
I'll tell you if you put that box back.
I will.
Okay, gingerbread. Now I can't open this.
Dada, what are you doing?
We're making
Open
some
this.
gingerbread, man.
Man,
For Easter.
open.
We're making our Easter gingerbread, man,
Mine
to celebrate the death and resurrection of Jesus.
The icing is not corrupted.
Mama.
These represent Jesus and the two thieves on the cross. Caitlin, you get to make Jesus. Elijah, you get to make the good thief. Daddy, mocking bad thief. Sorry. Somebody's got to do it. Elijah, are you supposed to eat the candy or put it on your gingerbread man? What do you think?
One on, three to eat.
What are you doing, buddy?
Mama.
Can you say, so good?
Don't go.
Yes.
Yeesh.
Put the gingerbread back. Back there.
Okay, who can tell me the story of Easter?
Me.
Okay,
Me.
Elijah?
The East eggs fall down up the kite.
Caitlin? Story of Easter?
Okay. And first of all, I need to say to Elijah that story was not true. Okay. Jesus rose from the dead.
Okay, to the point. Daddy? He refrains. Elijah, what happened to Jesus?
He died.
Yeah.
What happened on the third day,
He
Elijah?
died. How did he die?
Oh my goodness.
Look at Elijah.
How did he open that? How did he get that open?
Mr. Jesus. I got it. I got it before you did. Oh, but that's wrong. Mama, may you please put that back?
The eggs fell from the sky. He just enacted it. Good job. Happy Easter. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Put that back box back here.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Say it.
Happy Easter.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Caitlin, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.